browsing the catalog, checking out, and downloading. Once you have signed in to VCC's Overdrive catalog, you can begin to search the catalog for books. To find the catalog, select Collections to view the collections in VCC's Overdrive catalog. Select Nonfiction and then select All Nonfiction. From here, you can browse nonfiction titles. Select a title to read its description. However, if you know what book you are looking for, select the search button at the top of the page and type in the title or author of the book. To check out a book, select the book you would like to borrow. The screen should show you a record of the book in the library catalog, including the cover, the title, the author, and the summary. Select the icon that says Borrow to borrow the book. A pop-up will appear to finalize your loan. Select the drop-down menu to choose the length of your loan. You can choose between 7 days, 14 days, and 21 days. Next, select Borrow one more time. You have now borrowed the book. The pop-up window should say Success along with the due date of your book. Once you have borrowed the book, you must download the files to your device. Select the button that says Download to download the files to your device. Thank you so much for watching. To learn more about reading and returning, please watch the next video in this series.